Hi, I'm Josh. I'm a personal trainer here at ECU Campus Recreation and Wellness. Today I'm going to be taking you guys through a dynamic beach workout that you can complete on any shoreline this summer. Sand provides a great surface for a challenging workout, so let's get outside and get some motion by the ocean. We're going to start with a warm-up circuit. It's going to consist of 3 exercises with a 30-second rest in between each. Our first exercise, the bodyweight sumo squat. We're going to have our feet wider than shoulder width apart with our toes pointing out. We're going to hinge our hips back, bend our knees until our thighs are parallel to the ground, and come back up under control. Our next exercise is a jumping knee drive. We have our feet shoulder width apart. We're going to start by lifting one leg up, jumping, lift another leg up, jump, and then pick up the pace. Our last exercise is the lateral shuffle. You're gonna have your feet shoulder width apart. We're gonna move to the side with our toes and whole body facing forward. We're gonna shuffle 3 times in each direction. For our main workout, we're gonna be doing 30-second on, 10-second off, 30-second on, 60-second off. We're gonna repeat that 3 times for the exercises in the circuit. For our first movement, we're gonna be doing a jump squat, where our feet shoulder width apart, toes pointed out. We're gonna go down to a squat form, so hinge the hips back, bend the knees until the thighs are parallel to the ground. We're gonna jump up, land back into the squat softly, and repeat. Our next exercise is gonna be the skater lunge. We're gonna start with our feet shoulder width apart. We're gonna jump to the left side with our left foot while crossing our right foot behind our left foot and reaching towards the ground. After that, we're gonna jump to the right side with our right foot, crossing our left foot behind while reaching for the ground. Our next exercise is the lateral plank walk. We're gonna start in push-up position with our hands shoulder width apart and our feet close together. And we're gonna alternate walking one arm with one leg to the right a few times and then back to the left. Our next exercise is Russian twist. We're gonna start by sitting on the ground. We're gonna lift our feet up, cross them, while leaning our back at about a 45-degree angle. We're gonna cup our hands together. We're gonna alternate touching each side of the ground. You can put your feet farther out or closer to you to change the difficulty. Our next exercise is mountain climbers. We're gonna start in push-up position with our feet close together and our arms shoulder width apart. We're gonna alternate kicking one knee towards the chest by lifting the leg off the ground And when you bring it back, kick the other one forward. Our next exercise is the bear crawl. You're gonna start with arms underneath your shoulders and knees bent at a 90-degree angle. You're gonna bring right hand forward, left leg forward, left hand forward, right leg forward, and repeat.
Just watch me. Just watch me.
I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me.
Give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me.
And we're gonna take a 2-minute rest between each circuit. For our cool down, we're gonna do a circuit of 4 exercises with a 15 to 20 second hold for each. Our first exercise is gonna be the static hip flexor stretch. We're gonna get down on one knee with our front leg bent at 90 degrees. We're gonna lean forward onto the front leg until you feel a stretch in your quad.
Just watch me.
Our next stretch is gonna be the reverse pigeon stretch. We're gonna start by getting down on the ground, laying all the way back. We're gonna bring one leg over the other. We're gonna push on our bent knee and pull back on our opposite hip. Our next stretch is going to be the arm hug stretch. We're going to start by bringing one arm across and pulling it close with the other arm. The next stretch will be the lying spinal twist. We're gonna start by sitting on the ground with our knees bent. We're gonna put our elbow on our knee and push while turning our lower back. I hope this workout gives you guys some motivation to burn some calories on your next beach trip. Ensure you're using proper water consumption and safe breathing techniques to ensure your safety in hot temperatures. Good luck.